So if you've ever thought, dreamed, or wondered what it's like to get an apartment in Europe, in Spain, I'm here to give you a nice tour because I did that shit and I'm leaving that shit. So let's check out my apartment. This apartment cost 530 euros a month without utilities. Very doable, especially because I lived in New York City before this, and I don't even think you could get like a shoebox for 630 anywhere, really. Also, another thing is, if you're wondering why I'm wearing pajamas in this video, it's simply just because it felt more real. You know, I have been in pajamas all day. I am a crusty American who doesn't care about being seen in her pajamas, so let me wear my pajamas in peace, Jesus. And welcome to my apartment. So this is the kitchen I'm going to visit so much. I love my pink walls and my pink floors and this massive kitchen that is so different from like everything that I've had the last 2 years living in New York, because I didn't even have a kitchen. But yes, normally most Spanish homes will come furnished. So that means this came with everything. It came with all of the furniture, the utensils, the appliances, the cups, the bowls, the knives, the cutting boards, and that has really just made it so easy to live here as a foreigner because I'm not bringing all that stuff with me, you know? So yeah. The only thing I have done to add some personality to this apartment is I have added Christmas lights out here. Hello, how are you? And when I tell you everything comes with the apartment, everything comes with the apartment. Shout out to Sophie for the crab, my Maryland taste. Is what makes this all worth it. So there's the Mediterranean right there. This is all my apartment complex. There's my twin tower across. I do have an indoor swimming pool, a hot tub, and a sauna, an outdoor swimming pool in the summer, tennis courts. Bedroom number 1. This is my bedroom. Personality. Witch's altar. My roots. It's literally all I've added to this room. It's kind of really sad. But this is my bed. It's very comfortable. I like it a lot. And so those are the windows to the outside. I have a fan. And these are the wardrobes. Let me show you my favorite positions to sleep in. I do like 10 pillows. The pillows are definitely comfortable. The pillows came with the apartment as well. Everything came with the apartment. A wonderful bedspread. Here's the lovely bathroom. If you want white light, we got white light. If you want yellow light, we got yellow light. Hell to the yes. European households, yes, they come with a bidet. My ass has never been cleaner. Toilet, rack, shower, very interesting. Let me show you how it works. Everybody is very intrigued by my shower because it kind of feels like those portals from Star Trek, or like we're entering a spaceship. So lastly, we have bedroom number 2, the bedroom for my guests. So bedroom number 2 comes with 2 twin beds, another little alcove. Another little alcove that I never really used, but has a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. There's Mediterranean. It does not get better than this. So this has been my lovely little apartment that I love so much. My first apartment ever in my life by myself. I dormed by myself, but I moved to Spain. I had to find an apartment. My school hooked me up with a friend of a friend. I had to talk to her, negotiate the lease, sign the contracts. All in Spanish, guys. So give me my credit where credit's due. On to bigger and better things. Well, smaller actually. And we'll see if it's better. But I have loved my time here. I'm so thankful for everything. It's been beautiful. It's been fantastic. It's been great. It's been a wonderful experience. I will always look back at this apartment with such fond memories, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you were looking for a sign to get out of your hometown and go experience the world, do it. It's not as hard or as scary as you think it is going to be. I love you guys. Please subscribe and follow my socials for more of me. And as always, have a great day. Bye guys.